Hi, I'm Matt Baker, Director of Business Development at Systems Interface. We are a Seattle-based industrial automation company with over 40 years of experience and 85 dedicated professionals. As a gold-level Rockwell automation systems integrator, we help businesses streamline their operations with smart, reliable automation solutions. We work with a wide range of industries, including food and beverage, marine, infrastructure, which we define as heavy movable structures, hydroelectric, water, wastewater, and bridges. We also serve aerospace. Each industry has unique challenges, and we specialize in tailoring solutions to help our customers operate more efficiently and reliably. Many of our customers come to us when they need to upgrade their outdated systems. We help them extend the life of their equipment while also at the same time improving their efficiency and reliability. For custom design build, whether our customers need consulting or full turnkey solution implementation, we design automation solutions based on their unique requirements. Our senior engineers have decades of experience in both process control and drives and motion systems. We hold multiple Rockwell certifications. More than anything, though, we focus on building strong partnerships and making sure our customers get solutions that work for them over the long term. So we're helping customers navigate Industry 4.0 by providing advanced visualization, reporting, and system diagnostics. Cybersecurity is also a big priority in order to keep their operations secure. Plus, we're diving into emerging energy markets, supporting companies as they scale from lab to production. Our customers see real measurable results, whether it's reducing downtime, improving efficiency, as well as maintaining project schedules and budgets. Our partnership with Rockwell Automation gives our customers a huge advantage. They get reliable, high-performance solutions with strong lifecycle support. Plus, they're working with hardware and software that they're already familiar with, and they have access to Rockwell's training and part support. And when we need extra expertise, Rockwell is there as a true partner, not just a vendor.